I'm Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. So I made these a while ago, and what I want to do is I want to make them into earrings. So you're going to need some wire. Today I'm using 0.8 millimeter aluminum wire. I get this from my welding section. So I'm just going to cut off a length. I don't need very much, maybe 5 inches. There we go. And here's what we're gonna do. I just wanna make a little section with these beads to attach these to the ear wires. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our round nose pliers, and we're gonna take this about a quarter of the way up. We're gonna turn this so it meets itself. Okay, we are going to put the bead on like so. We're gonna bend the wire with our nail because we want it nice and tight. We're gonna cut the wire so we have, always put the flat side to your work. So about that much. Gonna take those round nose about the same spot, and we're gonna turn it back on itself. Oops. There we go. Didn't do that very well. Let's try that again. So you're grabbing this and we're turning it back on itself. There we go. So that we have a section. And you usually make one going one way and one going the other way, okay? So now we're gonna repeat. We grab this. We want this flat, like I don't know if you can tell, but that kind of is pointy. We want it flat. So now it's flat. You take it, same spot. We're just gonna turn it around the pliers until it reaches itself. We're gonna take the wire, the bead, put it on. Use our nail to bend the wire. I think we'll give ourselves a little bit more wire this time. We'll go that long. Take the pliers, and now we're just wrapping this in on itself. See, that worked much better. In fact, it could even be a bit bigger. There, that's what I'm talking about. And you want one going one way and one going the other. So the great thing about aluminum wire is that it's not expensive. So you know what? I'm just gonna cut this one off and I'm gonna redo it because I like how the second one turned out better. And you know, I could delete this and I could say, okay, you know, I never make mistakes, but I make mistakes and I'm not gonna tell you that I don't. So just like we did before, turn it on itself, put the bead on, bend it with our nail, give it a little more than the first time we did it. Take your pliers and you're going to turn it back on itself. Straighten that up. And there we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm just going to open. Whenever you open something that you've created, you always open it sideways. So I'm going to open this sideways. I'm going to loop on one of the points. Oops. sorry about that. Loop on one of the points. Now this is a crocheted charm, so I just have to get it through that yarn and then close it up. There we go. And then we're gonna put it on our ear wire. So there's one. We'll do the same thing. So you open it up sideways. Take one of the points. Get it on there. There we go. Close it. There you are. And then there's that. Now we're gonna get our ear wires, which are right, that's the backs here. Got some ear wires. There we go. Put these on. Again, always open sideways. Put on your charm. So these have direction. You see how they're kind of scalloped here? So we want to make sure you put them on the direction you want. Close it up, and there you go, guys. There is your earring. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Bye now.